this is future me. This is future me. So you see, this is not Rexy, but this is from the Jurassic Park design. Javier Jordan. This is the box it came in.
This is the box it came in.
You see, the design was better on this one, yeah? This was the fake version. God! This wasn't Rexy, this was smaller than Rexy, and in real life, the Spinosaurus would die by T-Rex, yeah?
Instantly.
Instantly. One bite from the T-Rex is dead. Yeah, bro? So,
you will rip you apart.
So yeah, guys. Look at this Rexy. That package is coming. Yes?
Here's your package, bro.
Wait, Javier's cousin?
Yeah.
This is the final work hours.
Yeah, I work as a delivery guy.
Come on, bro. Join in. Join in. So let's look over here.
So what are you doing?
Okay, today we're gonna make a video. See, that was a funny skit, yeah, bro?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Editor, make some epic music. It's the collection Hammond collection T-Rex from Jurassic Park. Dun, dun. So, you guys love the people that love collecting box with the toys, yeah? Is a way to not break these boxes. What's the tape? The tape is right here. It is a possible way to not break it. Okay, so let's take out these.
Pretty simple.
Pretty simple, right? You see, you guys love collecting boxes. Javier, say something. No, come on, bro.
I don't collect boxes.
Yeah, I don't. I think less people do.
I like that.
Let's see.
I can't wait.
Oh my God! Look at the butt of the T-Rex. It's not weird.
Yes, that was.
It's weird what Javier say, but not me.
That's the fun of the
The front of the T-Rex. Javier, can you bring? Javier, can you? Oh wait, guys, I'm not a box collector, and why did you use us?
It just came out.
Come on. The people that love collecting boxes. I'm sorry, this might struggle you, but this actually is made out of rubber. This is made out of plastic. The tail is pretty bendable. Okay, Javier, can you bring the scissors? Wait, let me try to take these off. Is it possible to take it from the neck though? Because the head. But look at this design, my guys. Ooh, God. And some more be like, today we gotta go in the T-Rex shop. Today, okay. This is, these two are made out of rubbers, and Javier had the scissors. Kids, watch out with scissors. And Javier was basically 14. And I am basically 11 and preteen. So, watch out. Because you can actually hurt your fingers pretty badly. And of course the feet. Of course the dirty little feet is... You heard what I say, bro. Please don't break the plastic. Where is it from? Mom. Right here. Got it. Got it, Alex.
Sure, I got it.
Jesus Christ.
Le Javier.
Javier, how is that powerful?
No way.
It's hard, right? Okay.
Now the
Oh
other
my
one.
God. Just do that. Okay, guys. This is what it looked like at altitude. Now to shove the tail inside it. Okay, I finally did it. Look at this bad boy. Jurassic Park T-Rex.
I'm gonna violate the box.
No!
Your box.
Sorry, box collector.
Are you down to take a quick interview?
Yes.
Okay.
The T-Rex feet. Wait, let's see. Can it stand? The feet is too big. Yes, it can.
Good.
Yes, it can.
How long were you acting for this?
Like months ago. Like months ago.
How much did it cost you?
45.
Were you, well, as soon as you heard the package got home, did you want to go home super fast?
Yes.
Are
Very
you sure?
fast. Yes, I was. I really was.
Is this design accurate?
No, not at all. The real T-Rex have feathers, the face, and they didn't have teeth pointed out like this. They have feathers on his neck. We don't know, did it have patterns, but, and plus, the Jurassic World T-Rex always hurt humans. That's fake because, well, dinosaurs, T-Rex, like the big beaters, like that Jurassic Park 3, it was eating like a dead Triceratops, and for some reason it stays out for tiny humans. That would never happen in real life. That would never happen in real life. They will keep eating and minding their own business.
I have one more question for you. Put this right here. What do you think about the feet? Look at it, bro. It's not even connected to the skin.
Because they need to have joints, Javier, to move.
Okay.
And the tail can move. But this is weird how the tail turned lighter.
It's very flexible, right?
Yeah.
It can switch. And I love this so much. But guys, at Christmas, I will finally make my series. And Javier might be in it. Of course, he's gonna be in it. He's not gonna be a villain like the last series. And the arms are inaccurate because, well, it's faced like this. In real life, they are supposed to face like this sides. But the T-Rex arms cannot do that. Oh, yes. No, it needs to be more hunt.
Why he have small eyes?
Small eyes? What do you mean they have small eyes?
Oh.
These eye, the T-Rex eye in real life was very good. Yeah, Javier?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but for some reason in Jurassic Park, it say, don't move. You have bad eyesight. Come on, Jurassic Park. But now, today, Rexy, yes, the T-Rex name is Rexy, a female T-Rex. This T-Rex was 40 feet long, yeah, in the Jurassic Park series. And let me show you how 40 feet long is to a human. Javier, talk.
Well, since he's gone, I'm gonna be hosting his channel now, so I'm taking over. Okay. So.
Keep talking, bro.
Never mind.
Look, this is a real human. So, like a 6 feet human to a T-Rex head. A 6 feet human to a because in real life they would never eat, like they might eat like 2 times the size of a human or 3 times, but in real life they was just annoy humans. But raptors, on the other hand, they might gang up on humans. So, but remember, dinosaurs breathe more air. If it breathes less air, like today, yeah, it's dead. So yeah, Jurassic World is very inaccurate. And you're wondering how big it is. This is 2 feet long. Try to guess my size. Wait, let me check again. Yeah, that's. And I'm getting a T-Rex like 4 inches bigger than this. But it's very
What is
accurate.
What's the difference between this one and the other one that you want, the 200 and something?
The difference is the other one is 4 inches bigger and more detailed and more accurate. And that's why I kind of like the 215 T-Rex better.
Batteries?
It don't even need batteries.
The other one.
The other one don't need batteries.
Okay. So it doesn't roar?
It doesn't roar like this one. But
But it's look more real.
it's like more realistic. But the only thing they need to work on, should have two versions, like the one with no feathers and the one with feathers on behind their necks. Because scientists say they do have some feathers on T-Rex. And my theory is on the neck. And the another Jurassic World T-Rex was, I'm sorry Jurassic World. And, well, yeah, sorry Jurassic World. The other T-Rexes were bad. I mean horrible is horrible. Because the eyes, this fly, the eyes was like this big. And the eyes was ugly. The first T-Rex I had was
very, very tiny.
very, like this big to the T-Rex. Today?
You still have one. I'll be right back.
Where is it? Where is it, Javier? I didn't. I lost my another one. Let's see how big it is. I think it was like this big. That's pretty big, but it was so ugly. I mean, you see here, the head can move.
And to the size too.
It can move left and right like a.
The dinosaur, so I brought his shark.
What happened to the other dinosaur?
He left it in his grandpa's house.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, Mama, do you have
I don't know.
No. And Mama ain't home.
Oh,
Johnny, you
here? Hi.
Funny. Okay, Javier. What's the dislike you have and the likes you have?
The dislike?
Yeah, what's the dislike? Start with the dislikes.
Let him feel it.
Wait, does the eye follow you? Yes, it does.
That's very cool, right?
Yeah. The only thing I don't like is just the feet.
What's wrong with the feet?
It looks like wrappers connected to their freaking feet.
No, because they want the feet to move. They want the feet to move.
It seems pretty flexible, bro.
You can twist it, but
No, that's the leg, bro.
yeah, that's. Look at his chicken leg.
The feet, that's not working. This is the leg. This is the feet. The feet don't move. It don't move.
The leg do.
The leg do, like the feet don't.
Yeah. What's the legs you have?
The eyes follow you all the way where you go. When you stare at it.
And what about the design?
Decent.
It's decent, yeah?
Yeah.
Not accurate, but it's still cool. And I don't understand this, Javier. Why did they change the design of Rexy, yeah? This shouldn't be like the Forever Rexy, yeah, Javier?
You see,
And
I
this
gotta
should...
talk to you real quick. I'm gonna have a war with the dinosaur.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Your mouth is not open, so let's go. Let's go.
Oh, you want
Let's
my...
go.
I knock you with my tail. Bah!
No fair, you have a big tail.
Yeah.
You know what?
Are you ready, boy?
I'll be right back.
What's the shark going? He's weak. Me, I'm better on land, boy.
What's up?
Hey, chill, bro. Chill. Chill. Chill.
Oh,
I'm better on land. Remember that. Johnny! Don't play with those. Oh, yeah. Don't hit it for me. Johnny. Johnny, I don't want to ruin this.
Okay.
What? Ang kaya yung nak.
Oh.
now let's make this fair.
Okay.
Wait, have y'all coming back?
Let's make this fair.
Oh! That's bigger than me. Let's see, wait. That's slightly bigger than me. That's the size of no, the 250 is bigger than this one. Chill, bro. Chill. I'm talking when you. You missing me, hitting me, bro. I killed you already, bro. I bite your gills. You dead. Alright, guys, like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
And I will make. And for me, Mama.
What you doing? What you doing? Ow!
And Christmas. Yo hablo español. So like and subscribe and have a good day.